Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and it's a lovely little pouch. I love making pouches. This one, 2 coffees, 4 sugars in it. Apparently 2 coffees, 3 sugars. Where's the 4th one gone? I don't know, that's weird. I swear I got it out. Well, apparently this is 1.5 sugars per cup of coffee. But they go inside this pouch. Like I say, I love making little pouches. They're quick and easy to make. They make nice little gifts. And, you know, we all love them. Okay, so 6 by 6 inches of paper. This is the Sea of Textures. Is it Sea of Textures or Tranquil Textures? Don't remember. One or the other. But I'm not really keen on the whole sea thing. But I just like all the textures on it. So 6 by 6, 15 by 15 centimetres. So 4 from a sheet. And I'm just making a tube. Just like that. And I'm going to staple one end. I'm going to flatten it so that my crease goes down the back, or my seam rather goes down the back. Staple it shut. Coffee's in. Probably even put a tea bag in there as well if people, you know. Oh, and it's fallen out the bottom. Apparently I'm going to need to put an extra staple in that side. Probably that one as well. So I'll make sure for next time, for the other end, not to have it falling out. So pop those in and then seal up the other end, and actually I'm going to do that this time, put 2 staples in there. So cute little pouch. I've done loads of pouches in the past. I've done them for sweets, for treats, for coffees. Love them. Okay, fresh fig, ruffled mini ribbon trim stuff. I had Tranquil tied on this one with mint macaron stamping. But this time around I'm going to go fresh fig, and actually, although that's Night of Navy there, I'm actually going to put balmy blue in. Balmy blue that I want to keep calling bashful blue, and I don't even remember if we had bashful blue ever. It's not a colour I remember if we did. So let's get my balmy blue out. And my fresh fig, and let's find a scrap of Whisper White. I know you want a little bit. She says getting a big bit. And I've got, would you believe it, Petal Palette. Now this is actually a two pack stamp, so you get 2 stamp sets in one. I just want that bit and the From the Heart, which is in this one. So I'm going to have my long strip. And my balmy blue. Put that over there. And then From the Heart, because I reckon coffee should be given from the heart, don't you? My husband can tell when I'm in need of a coffee. I'm sure probably quite a lot of partners, husbands, etc. can. And then stamp it over that. Classic label punch, and it fits in just nicely. I've got the edge of my dimensionals, so 3 little half pieces on a strip down there, and then to finish it off we have these lovely little blossom buttons in are in colours, and so obviously there's a fresh fig one there. Ooh, I'm trying to pick that up without picking it up, because you all know my weird thing about buttons. Okay, mini glue dot on the back. Do this as fast as I can. I can see it. When I can see them, I'm okay with it. Little button up there. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I've got to touch it again. There we go. Little button up there, just cute, quick and simple. Oh, 4.5 minutes, blimey, I don't think I've ever done a video that's only 4.5 minutes. Did I miss the beginning or something? But very cute, very sweet. The coffee sticks you can find on Amazon or any sort of like shopping wholesalers. Super easy, and I love them. Nice little gift. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.